So what about design? Changing windows and doors is a big investment. The look and design of the windows can really make or break a house. We are very happy to spend a fair bit of time with customers to run through all the different options in terms of window design, and also whether maybe timber or aluminium might be a better product choice for customers. We can provide design drawings to give people an idea how their windows will look, which is quite helpful, we've been told in the past. But this is something that we don't underestimate. We are very fortunate to have completed quite a few projects, several thousand projects over the 28 years. And the likelihood is we'll have a house similar to our potential customers with new windows that look great, that we can show photographs of for inspiration. So our job really is to inspire customers with our design suggestions. We're very happy to work with an architect or a customer, in fact, if they have specific designs. But equally, we're very happy to make suggestions, and that might just be what colour would suit a particular brick finish or rendered house, or it might be even what colour door furniture would suit different colours of doors. So there are so many different aspects to this, but we look at this as a really important thing, working with people to make sure the finished product enhances their property.